please complete the sentence with one word only. Cancer is
a message from the body,
symptom,
a warning sign,
the leakage of energy,
manifestation of trauma,
caused by toxins,
absence of love,
lack of coherence,
reversible,
preventable, treatable,
transformative,
opportunity,
hope,
not to be feared,
an invitation,
your chance for change.
The number of people getting cancer is going up, and especially in the young.
Breast cancer is rising in younger women. Colon cancer is rising in both men and women.
I've noticed a definite increase in not just breast cancer, but also ovarian and endometrial cancer.
I have diagnosed close to 1 million cancers under the microscope.
Cancer cells are the most lonely cell in the body.
1 in 2 people on the planet today will experience this diagnosis in their lifetime. Let that sink in for just a moment.
The average life expectancy has peaked and is now dropping.
Why? What happened?
And where does the hope lie? In understanding the why.
Cancer is many different diseases, each of which is treated with a different therapy.
Not all storms are meant to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path.
But there's hope. 10% of our risk for cancer is genetic.
85 to 95% of cancers could never have happened to begin with.
The first thing that goes through your mind when you're diagnosed with stage 4 is whether or not I'm going to live.
You're okay right here, right now, and this is what you can do.
But I have to ask for help. It's not going to happen without that.
She was given 6 months to live, and she's still alive today, 27 years later.
And it's 15 years later? We don't worry about her cancer returning.
Your body is a miracle.
The body has the power to heal itself. It has all the tools that exist within it.
Be proactive in your health. Learn as much as you can. Ask as many questions.
The best treatment for cancer is prevention.
Activate your healing. Activating your fulfillment of your life.
Apparently I'm doing something right, being here 33 years later.
There is a whole world on the other side of that pinhole that we need to go through and see.
I learned you never watch and wait. Today is the day. Today is the day you start taking action against cancer, whether you have cancer or not.